4th, 2021. Today I have 4 pledgers from Mrs. Gore's classroom. I am live in Mrs. Gore's classroom, and my pledgers, their names are
Renee, Evelyn, Irene.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, face the American flag, as we say our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible,
Liberty and justice for all. And now the Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Y ahora a la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Jura lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos, a la república que representa una nación con libertad y justicia para todos. Y ahora la bandera de Texas.
Honra la bandera de Texas,
Fidelidad a ti, Texas.
un estado a Dios y libre para todos.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Every student here, I'm sorry, you may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If at any point you do not feel safe, you do not feel loved, or you do not feel respected, please find an adult, a trusted adult, and let them know how you feel. This could be your coach, your nurse, your counselor, your teacher, your principal, or any other adult. We have 2 big happy birthdays today. Happy birthday to Teresa in pre-K and Aubrey in 4th grade. We do have a couple of announcements. There is Tell Pass for virtual students, 4th and 5th grade, listening and speaking, and the writing sample number 4. Boys Club meeting, please continue wearing your mask. We need you to be mindful of noise, and please use the back staircase since we do have our Tell Pass students testing in the downstairs computer lab. The character education theme for the month is respect. Our quote comes to us from Miguel Angel Ruiz, and his quote is, "Respect is one of the greatest expressions of love." With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Thursday.